Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you my all-time favorite banana muffin recipe. This recipe is simple and flavorful. So to start off, you're gonna need 2 overripe bananas. That's where the flavors are, guys. Baking powder, and I'm using banana essence. It's optional. Vanilla extract, 1 egg, salt, chopped walnuts, baking soda, sugar, brown sugar, buttermilk, melted butter, and all-purpose flour. First things first, we're gonna grease our muffin pan with non-stick baking spray, then set it aside. Now we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, mix all-purpose flour. In goes granulated sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Now I'm gonna take my whisk and mix all the ingredients together, then set it aside. Now we're gonna go ahead and peel the bananas. Okay, here it goes. Okay. Using the fork, I'm gonna mash the bananas just like so, guys. You can also use a potato masher. Okay, it looks good. Next, we're gonna add buttermilk, melted butter, 1 egg, vanilla extract, and banana flavored essence. Mix well. Next, we're gonna combine all the ingredients. I'm gonna make a well. Add the wet ingredients. Fold in dry ingredients. Mix until the dry ingredients are just moisture. Do not overmix. Just like so. Perfect. Mix in chopped walnuts, spoon batter into prepared pan, filling cups 2/3 full, just like so, guys. Bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 17 to 19 minutes. The muffins are out of the oven. We're gonna let them cool slightly in the pan for 5 minutes, then invert them into a cooling rack to cool completely. Run the knife along the edges to release muffins. Guys, these muffins are soft and fluffy. Look at them. So delicious. There you have it, guys. I hope you'll try this recipe. Let me know how it turned out in the comment section down below. Please subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.